I want you to imagine this for a second. You are paying 40 bucks, 50 bucks, sometimes 70 bucks for 3 service keywords on Google. People are clicking your ad and then nothing happened. No calls, no from submissions, no book jobs. Here is the crazy part. Google Ads probably isn't your problem. The problem is landing page. Hey guys, Barkat here, a certified Google Ad expert. I work with local service-based businesses every day, like tree services, roofing companies, HVAC companies, plumbers, dentists, and I see the same mistakes over and over again. Business owners think if I just run Google Ads, the phone will ring. But Google Ad doesn't create demand. It just captures the intent. And if your landing page doesn't match that intent perfectly, you are just paying Google to send traffic to a leaky bucket. In this video, I am going to show you exactly how a high converting tree service landing page should be built for Google Ad, why most local service based business owners get this wrong, and how fixing just one page can literally double or triple your lead without increasing in ad spend. So here you can see this is a landing page for Google Ad, and if you don't know, the biggest mistake tree service companies make with Google Ad landing page, they send paid traffic to their homepage. And think about it, your homepage talks about everything like tree trimming, tree removal, stump grinding, landscaping, company story, everything. But the people who just search on Google emergency tree removal near me doesn't care about any of that. They just care about three things only. Can you solve my problem? Can I trust you? How fast can I talk to you? So that's why I am telling you, like, you should make dedicated landing for each services. Let's say if you are just running Google Ad for tree removal services, you should make a tree removal landing page. If you are running Google Ad for tree trimming, you should make a tree trimming landing page. These kind of things for each of the businesses, like stump grinding, like tree pruning, maybe emergency service based tree services, or maybe city specific. Let's say if you are based in a specific city, maybe Austin or maybe Dallas, Texas, something like that, you should make a dedicated landing page for that kind of city. Like you should mention on the headline tree trimming or tree removal in Dallas, Texas, or maybe tree trimmer in Dallas, Texas, that kind of things. So on the top of the fold, you can see there should be three things. One is logo, and there should be like enough trust signals like 5 stars or rated 5x5 by Lookout, this kind of things, and one CTA like call for free tree estimate or something like that. Let's say this landing page is for stump grinding. You should mention call for your free stump grinding estimate, that kind of thing, so that it matches to the people who are searching on Google, right? And on here, this is the most important part of any of landing page. Whatever landing page you make for any services, you should keep in mind that I should write something that people can easily read and easily convert. And the landing page, our landing page should be mobile optimized. If someone's checked the landing page, or maybe if someone's land on this landing page from mobile devices, they should see the landing page very optimized, because this landing page should load fast, this landing page should clean, and there should be like enough trust signals. If I just talk about this part, so this is the most important part, I would say. This is the H1, like heading, right? So you should mention your services. Let's say if you provide tree trimming, you should mention the tree trimming, something like that here, actually, like expert tree trimming near me, or maybe expert tree trimming companies, maybe local expert tree trimming companies, something like that, and you should like add couple of bullet point, any types of things. And if we have any offer, try to add the offer here if you have any. Like if you don't have, it's okay, but I would say you must have an offer, because in 2026 offers works really good, because I saw the same thing in 2025 as well. If you don't have any great offer, there is a high chance that your landing page or maybe your Google Ad campaign will fail. So I highly encourage you, if you can make an offer, it would be great, like 10% off, or maybe 15% off, or maybe X amount of dollar off. Let's see, if you call today, you will get $200 off, this kind of offer. I don't know which offer will suitable for your business, or maybe what the current status you are right now in, but I think you should make an offer. And here's another thing, you should add a from or survey. I would say from works good, sometimes survey works also good. So I think if you make the landing page in GHL, or if you landing page in any types of a landing page software designing tool platform, you should A/B test both, like from or survey, or maybe, because I tested the both things like from and survey. I found in this space froms works good, but for couple of another spaces, another niches, survey works good. And also I tested two more landing pages. One landing page is only call, call focused, like there is no from, just everywhere the call button or the call to action is only just call us to, to get a free code or call us to talk with us. That kind of landing page works good in this space because people usually don't submit the from typically in this industry. So I would say you should test actually, A/B test the with from and without from, this kind of landing pages. And here you can see like there is enough trust signals right now, on this landing page. People copy and paste the testimonials from their Google My Business profile or maybe Trustpilot, but I highly encourage you, if you can use a screenshot, I think it works really good because I tested it before that. Screenshot works really good because if I just show you here actually a little bit, so you can see like we use screenshots, and screenshots works really good if I just compare with the written testimonials on the landing page. And there are some bullet points, and this is the offer, and you should use real pictures. Again, I repeat, you should use real picture on the landing page. Do not use any AI generated images. Do not use any stock images. This is a sample landing page that we are using some AI generated images or maybe stock images, but don't do this. Like ask your tree guy or maybe ask your clients to just send you some couple of good pictures, or maybe if you are a business owner you can just upload it from your mobile phone directly, just capture some pictures. People are working, like you are cutting trees, or maybe if you are in a different industry, like you are in front of your van or something like that. So real pictures works really great. Don't think about the quality, picture quality. Just add the real pictures from your mobile phone. That this is something I highly recommend you. So here you can see we have an offer. Like this is the dummy landing page as I mentioned there. So we put an offer. So if you have any offer, you can easily add it. If you don't have, it's up to you. But I highly recommend to use an offer, and there should be like some couple of bullet point. Use a pictures. People are working from your company, or like you are working on the field, something like that, and just add couple of why should people choose you? Like what are the benefits you will provide if I chose you, right? Just think about it. Like landing page should talk from your end. Like it's a kind of sales copy. It's like, why should I choose you? Like, if I land on this landing page, I know that your Google ad copy is fine, your keywords is good, but your landing page is not good. Like if I land on this landing page, it doesn't make sense to, like let's say your landing page is a tree trimming landing page. This landing page is all about tree trimming, and I land on this landing page from tree removal ad group. So probably there is high chance that I'll never convert, because I know that both are relative, but there is a call like message match. If the message match is 100, like close to 100%, there is a high chance people will convert. That's the main point actually. So yeah, you should mention about the company, like why should people choose you, like family owned or local, same day code, scheduling, like whatever you have, in terms of like why should people choose you. So you should add this kind of bullet point here, and here is the most important thing. So you can see like there are all types of services, right? Again, this is a dummy landing page, we build, it's a kind of template we use for tree trimming, tree guys. This landing page is all about like, let's say tree pruning. So you should mention the tree trimming, remove all of the services from the landing page, just keep tree pruning for this landing page, or maybe tree trimming, whatever this landing page based on. So just use that specific services. Do not use any other services. I repeat, do not use any other service on this landing page. If use landing page for tree removal, just add the tree removal services, add lots of pictures related to tree removal. You should use a gallery here, because we didn't add a gallery yet, but you should use like, let's say just it's for tree removal, just keep it the tree removal and remove all of the services from here, and just add a gallery below the call to actions, like tree removal gallery, like how you remove the trees, like it's all about the tree removal, right? You should use pictures, again the real pictures from your mobile phone, all tree removal pictures on the landing page. So I can bet you, if you use or if you follow my steps what I am discussing on this video, you will get insane number of conversions, conversion rate in the landing page side. So because we tested lots of landing page on our end, so we saw that like sometimes we are getting like 20 or 25% conversion rate from the landing page. And exactly what I'm saying on this video, what I'm explaining this video, I am following the same thing for all of my client. Trust me, there is nothing hidden or like any rocket science. It's all about the simplicity. It's all about the message match. This is the two most important thing when it comes to the landing page copy. So I think you got my point. And yeah, you should add enough trust signals, like whether it's screenshot from Google My Business profile or maybe Trustpilot, whatever the source is, you should add these kind of pictures on your landing page. Again, I highly recommend you to use the screenshots instead of copying paste the reviews from landing page. I think it makes really sense. When you use the landing page, I mean, people think that, hey, this is not the copy and paste reviews from the whatever sources or something like that. So that's why I use it. Still, I mean, we are getting like lots of fun. And same thing, I am following the same structure I am following for every industries I have worked with, and still I am using this landing page structure, and we are seeing a good number of, like, healthy number of conversion rate for all of our clients from all over the industries. And lastly, this is the kind of footer. I mean, we say it's a footer in the landing page part, but this is not actual footer. Yeah, I mean, there should be like a call to actions and just whatever the call button is. I mean, if your landing page is focused for from submissions and phone calls, you should use both. If your landing page is only focused on the from submissions, you should use the from submissions. If your landing page is only focused on the phone numbers, you should use the phone numbers on the below. That's it. I mean, keep it simple, follow the message match. Like as I mentioned that before, like if someone's land from tree renewal, make the tree renewal really, towards landing page. If someone's land from tree pruning ad groups, make this landing page toward to the tree pruning or something like that. So I believe you got my point. And if you have any questions, let me know, and I am happy to answer all of your questions. And if you need any help in terms of making the landing page in GHL, or maybe if you need this kind of template, just let me know or comment below, or you can reach out to me and I can definitely help you on that part, because I have a landing page designer on my team. We build a lots of landing page from various industry. So yeah, of course we can help you. And lastly, if you really need any help in terms of Google ad, landing page, campaign setup, campaign management, or any types of white label things, or maybe you are a business owner, you are looking for someone who can run your business, who can grow your business, definitely I am here. You can contact with me, or you can drop a comment below and I will reply that comment, of course, for sure. And yeah, I mean, again, if you need any help, feel free to reach out to me. Till then, stay safe and subscribe this channel. Please press the like button of this video, and I will see you in the next one. Have a great day. Bye bye.